Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with Cassie J Budgets and Blogs. I'll link our shop as well as the freebie down below if you're interested in checking either of those out. Also, for the month of October, I did join a follow train. It's a collaboration with a couple of ladies that are supporting each other by watching each other's YouTube videos and, running playlists, things like that. So I will link that as well. If you're interested, please do so. Go check out the ladies. And if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and do so. So this gloomy Sunday morning, I'm going to go ahead and stuff my envelopes for my high priority, which is my bills and expenses. So let's go ahead and count up what we're stuffing. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60. Okay. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so we're going to stuff $420 today into our high priority. So let's jump right in. We'll start with our bills. And sorry, I'm a little bit discombobulated right now. I made some changes in my home, and so this is a completely different setup. It's a new room. The lighting is way different from the other room. So anyway, we'll get it together. And like always, I have my chicken scratch next to me. We're going to go ahead and put $300 into rent. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83. And I did get notification from my leasing office that there's been a change to the way we are able to pay our rent. And it's going to cost a little more, apparently, to make the payment unless you go to a specific location. So I'm trying to sort through and figure all that out. So we know that's 300, and let's see what we have here. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60. Okay, so I am $30 short. And for those of you who need to know, because I'm one of those, I'm really nosy. I want to know what happened or whatever if something did go down. I ended up getting a flat tire, and I had to renew my AAA, which I went ahead and paid that back from the money that I borrowed. I put it back already, but I had to get a tire patched up and air in my other tires and also air in my spare. It ended up costing me $30. So I am $30 short. And if need be, I do have my K-Bucks, and if I do need to do an IOU for my Christmas binder or something like that, so that way I can pay my rent on time, I will. I'm not above moving the money around the way that I need it to be. So I do need another $30. As a matter of fact, I think I need 32. I'm going to go through and see, but I'm very, very close to having what I need for my rent. Like I said, that tire set me back. And it's not even a new tire. It's got the one patched and then air in all the other tires. And he also went ahead and rotated them because a couple of them were really good. And he did warn me that I need new tires. So, yeah, I don't know where that money's going to come from. But we'll figure it out. Next up, we're going to move on to, I'm covering up my chicken scratch, utilities, which is getting $10. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and put a 20 in here and take this 10 out. I know I need change. I don't have anything, I didn't get exact denominations this time. So utilities has $20 now. We'll move on to internet, which is getting $10. Let's go ahead and put that 10 in there. So we have $20, $30. All right, so my phone bill is not getting anything today. We'll go ahead and skip that. Car insurance is getting $10, $5, and $10. And I was also thinking of going through my envelopes to see which bill is actually due last, you know, in a month, so I have time to pay it back. But I've got to figure something out, guys. So I have 20, 25, 30. All right, subscriptions is getting $5. $5. I don't know what I was doing there. All right, and then memberships is getting $10. So we're gonna pull this $10 out, and now we have 20 in total. And we haven't been going to the YMCA as much as we were before. I'm not gonna cancel it though. I feel like we go enough for it to work itself out. Whether it's swimming, computer lab, treadmills, bikes, basketball, racquetball, whatever, you name it. Even if we only go, you know, 10 times a month, it's worth it. So that's it for our bills. Let's move on to our weekly expenses. All right, so for our weekly expenses, let's get going here. Making a mess over here. Okay, so mommy is going to get $10 today. And gas getting $20. It's so crazy. A couple days ago, I saw the gas for under $3. And I'm like, well, you don't even have any money in your gas. Was that already filled it up? And then it went back up already. So somebody needs to make sure they have a little gas envelope buffer or something, so when the gas goes down like that, I could fill it up and then repay my buffer or something. Household getting $10, $5, $10. All right, and my pets are getting $15 today, $5, $10, $15. They need a couple things, so there's that. All right, so my kiddos are getting $10, $5, and $10. And I still have not figured out that the Cash App is the best way to go kind of situation. I still keep pulling out the money. I think the reason I pull it out, I will be honest, is that because I have an online bank, which means that I have to go to the ATM. So I have to pull it out in increments of 20. And so I don't really have the ability to leave the $10 in there until it stacks up, my buffer stacks up enough. So hoping that's what takes place this next coming week. Miscellaneous is my laundry, which is getting 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And also, you guys, I made it to the laundromat on Tuesday, which obviously I tell you guys every week, it makes a huge difference for me. But I didn't have any quarters left over because I went to vacuum out my car. So probably need to be working on making sure I have a few extra bucks just specifically for that instead of taking it from my quarters. But either way, I took care of business with it, so I'm good to go. All right, so we've gone ahead and emptied our cash tray. We have our bills and weekly expenses completed. You guys, thank you so much for stopping by. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And any of you who came from a Celissas channel, welcome. I saw a little bit of a spike there. Like, what's going on? Yes, so Celissa, thank you so much for the shout out because you've sent some people my way and I appreciate it. Yes, we are all obsessed and love the idea of saving a lot of money, big money. But the way my life is set up, you know, a little bit goes a long way over here. So if you are interested, please come back again and see what's going on over here. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Bye, guys.